This is about the coolest taxi there is here. 2 drams. It's about 60 cents, 58 cents. This takes you from one coast to the other, all up and down the creek. You can go to the Gold Souk. Anywhere. But for 50 cents, this thing runs till 10 o'clock at night. Pretty sweet. Here's the other type of boat they got. The authentic one. You sit in the middle on this one. It's got an inboard motor. Still pretty nice. Alright, so I'm here in Gold Zait, which is Gold Souk, which is like the gold area. This is Fort Zayed. It's an old fort. Kind of a tourist attraction now. It's in the Gold Souk market. Get some cool stuff. Like that one. Check out this tiger. Here in old Dubai. Oh, I'm loving this. I am so cheap and I'm loving this. The bakery with the 30-cent fresh bread. Look at this. Make you look like this guy here. 10 dirhams. So that's less than $3 for a haircut. Wow, look at this place. Wild. So, 10 dirhams for haircut, shaving, face bleach, 10 dirhams. To bleach your face to make it look whiter. Hair color, 10 dirhams. Everything's $2. Good Lord. So yeah, I couldn't pass up this deal. 10 dirhams for a shave. Then he uses the shaver. Then he gives me a full face massage and creams and oils and everything. Best shave of my life. Well worth it. Old Dubai may be my favorite place in Dubai. And it's not really even in Dubai. It's right on the creek. But there's so many shops here, so many like just real places. Cheap food, authentic clothes, homemade clothes. Alright, so 8 dirhams. You get a shawarma. Nice and fresh, cooked in front of me, grilled in front of me. With a watermelon, that's right. Watermelon drink. Fresh watermelon, diced up. Fresh shawarma for $2 US. Can't beat that. Alright, so I'm gonna get another shawarma. These things are delicious. Spicy, oh yeah. The garlic sauce. The lettuce, oh yeah. Throws another one on there. Rewraps it. Grills it. Yeah.